Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 dividend stocks that I bought this week. So sit tight, enjoy. Hope you like this video. If you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, just want to say aloha. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about which companies are great to invest on, whether it's dividends, growth stocks, or penny stocks, you've come to the right channel. You definitely want to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, as you don't want to miss out on some of the videos that I put out. With that said, let's take a look at these 3 companies. First on the list is Abbvie, ticker symbol ABB, so it's ABBV. This is a company that engages in the development and sale of pharmaceutical products. So definitely, in my opinion, one of my favorite companies to invest on. I have it in multiple portfolios, so I'm going to show you my Robinhood portfolio and how I'm starting to build up this position in Abbvie. So if you're not familiar about Abbvie, you can go to their website. You can take a look at some of their pipelines. So as you can see, here are some of their pipelines. I think they're mostly known for Humira. So you've seen that in commercials. So if you've seen that, then that is the company that Abbvie produces. So there's more pipeline in there. If we look at tip ranks, based on tip ranks, as you can see, the time of this video, it was at 112. Their price target is on the 122 with a 12-month forecast of 135 and an average of 122 and a low of 105. Their rating stays it at a strong buy with 13 analysis. 10 of them says it's a buy, 3 of them it's a hold and no sell. Now if we look at CNN Business, you can see pretty similar with a high of 144, a medium of 125, and a low of 105. Their recommendations, there are a little bit more. There's 14 of them. 14 of them said it's a buy, 2 of them it says it's outperform, 6 of them says it's a hold, and 1 underperform. Now if we look at Simply Safe Dividend, they have a dividend safety score of 70, which they feel it's safe. The dividend yield is 4.63. Market cap is 198 billion. Now if we look at down to the key metrics, you can see payout ratio is 45%. And then if we look down to the dividend growth, so the last 10 years, the last year was 10%, which is fast. The last 5 years it's up 18%, which is very fast. Their dividend safety scores, dividend growth streak is 7 consecutive increases. Uninterrupted dividend streaks of 7 years without a reduction. So not bad, but I really like this company. Now if your payout schedule is on quarterly, February, May, August, and November, with the annual payout of $5.20. Now your ex-dividend will be on April 14, and payout date is May 14. So pay attention to this ex-dividend. So if you don't do it before that date, so it's actually, if you're gonna buy this, you should buy it somewhere in April 13. That way you get it before the ex-dividend date. Yeah, I always make sure. But this is the payout layout. So now if we look at Robinhood, so I started my position in this portfolio. I have it in my other portfolios, but I wanted to start increasing it. So I bought about 11 shares. So with the market cap, so total return would be 0.83. So my plan for this one is to build at least 125 to maybe 200 shares, and then I'll probably stop for that. Again, I'm focusing on this portfolio, but I definitely want to increase my position. So I'm probably going to continue to start bulking up on this one. Next on the list is Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. So again, one of the main players in the vaccine. So this is engages in medicine and vaccines, as you can see from the website. Again, if you're interested in investing in here, you can go to the websites and start looking at it. There's usually a link that says investors. So if you click on that, you'll get a little bit more information on the company itself. Now, if you look at tip ranks, based on tip ranks, at the time of this video, it was at 39. Their price target is at 44, with the 12-month forecast of a high of 55, average of 44, and the low of 39. However, they rated as a hold based on 12 analysis with 2 buys, 10 holds, and 0 sell. Now, take a look at CNN Business. Their high is at the 53, the medium is 42, and the low is 36. Now, their analysis recommendations is similar, with a hold of 16, a buy of 4, outperform of 1 with 0 sells. Now, if we look at Simply Safe Dividend safety score is at 75, which is safe. Now, the dividend yield is 3.98. Market cap is about 219 billion. If you look down to the key metrics, you can see payout ratio is about 54%. With they did cut their dividend during a recession at 07 and 09. Now, if you look at the dividend growth, you can see it is very slow. It was 2.67. The last 5 years, it was up 6% per year. The last 20 years, it's up 7%, which is average. Now, if we look at the dividend growth streaks, 10 years of consecutive increases, uninterrupted, or 10 years without a reduction. Now, looking at the payout schedule, you can see quarterly you're going to get paid if this is something you're interested, which is March, June, September, and December. Annual payout of $1.56 per share. The ex-dividend is on May 6th, and then you get a payout on June 4th. Now, if we look at my positions, so again, I started this position in my Robinhood portfolio. You can see currently at the time of this video, I have 22 shares. Average cost is $38. So I'll continue to put this. So my plan is, again, hit about 120, at least 125 to maybe about 500 shares. So that is my plan for this portfolio. So I'm going to continue to again bulk up on this one as well. Last on the list, Coca Cola, ticker symbol KO. Very popular company to invest on in dividends. This is a company that engages in manufacture, market, and sales of non-alcoholic beverages, waters, juices, you name it. Now, if we look at tip ranks, at the time of this video, it was up 56% at $56. Their price target is at the $60. 12-month forecast rated as a high of 64, average of 60, and the low of 57. Their rating is moderate buy based on 7 buys, 4 holds, and 0 sells. Now, take a look at CNN Business. Their high is at 67. The medium is 59 and the low is 53. Now, their rating recommends is 13 buys, 4 outperform, and 0 and 9 holds. Now, if we look at my position in my Robinhood portfolio, you can see I started buying. I have about 25 shares in this portfolio. So again, my total return is 4.75. Now, this is one that I definitely gonna continue to push. My goal is to maybe hit about 1,000 shares for this one. You know, I love Coca Cola, big fan of Coca Cola products. Use it a lot, buy a lot of Coca Cola products in terms of water, juice, and beverages. So definitely something to put in your watch list. Now, if we look at Simply Safe Dividend, you can see dividend safety score is 80, which is safe. Dividend yield is 2.99. The market cap is 242 billion. Now, if we look at down to the key metrics, payout ratio is 83%. They have increased their dividends during the 07 and 09 recession. Now, if we look at the dividend growth, it's been slow the past 5 years, which is only up 4%. Last 20 years it's up 8%, which is fast. Now if we look at the dividend per share as thing, you can see dividend growth streak of 58 years without with consecutive increases, uninterrupted dividend streaks of 58 years without a reduction. So again, this is one of those great companies to invest on, in my opinion. Now you will get paid quarterly, April, July, October, and December. The annual payout of $1.68 per share. Pay attention again to the ex-dividend. It's at June 14, which is 9 days away. Payout date will be July 1st. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you haven't done so. As always, please remember to do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. Please be safe out there, guys. Stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, right? Take care. Aloha.